Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Shirpurkar, final year diploma student of computer engineering from Government Polytechnic Nagpur. Today in this video we are going to discuss about concept of JDBC in Java programming. So let's start with introduction of JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity, where JDBC is a Java API which helps you to connect your Java program or application to any relevant your database using Java drivers. The java.sql package contains classes and interface for JDBC, which we are going to use in our program. Like classes and interface like connection interface, statement interface, prepared statement interface, result set interface, and driver manager class. This is class and interface which we are going to use in our example. So here Java application use interface and classes to access your tabular data stored in any relational database. By the help of JDBC API, we can save, update, delete, and fetch data from the database. And the JDBC API is used to connect your Java application to database with the help of this Java driver. Next, there are four types of driver in JDBC. First is JDBC ODBC driver, native driver, network protocol driver, thin driver. This is also called as type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4 driver. Type 4 driver is mostly popular nowadays. So this is the steps to write our JDBC program. First we have to connect the connection, we have to create the connection class object, then statement object, then we have to execute the query. If we are fetching the result, then we have to process the result and print it, and then close our connection. So this is an example of fetching a data from table in a database. So let's see this program in the NetBeans. So here in the NetBeans, I have already created one JDBC program for fetching the data from database table. So we need to first import the java.sql package to write any JDBC program, and then I have created one class. In main function, first step is to create our connection object with the help of driver manager class and get connection method. Then here is the URL of database, where the db1 is the name for database, root is the username, and this root is for password. Then next step is to create the statement object with the help of connection object and create statement method. Then we are fetching here the table information from database. That's why we are using this select star from employee query from MySQL, where the employee is the table, and we are using the execute query command. We can use here the execute update command when we are doing any updation, insertion or deletion in our database table. Then we are get this result in rs, that is result set object, and with the help of next method of result set we are printing the result by using a get int and get string method. Then last step is to close the connection. So let's run this program. So we get here the error because our database is not connected. So here connecting database, and this database is contain table employee, which contain two attributes, employee ID and employee name. This contain two rows. So after connecting database, the program will run successfully. Let's see. So here we are getting employee ID and employee name like this. So this is our simple example. So now you can do any updation, deletion or insertion in your table with the help of JDBC program. So now We will see some brief information about types of driver. First one is a JDBC ODBC bridge driver, where the JDBC method call directly converted into ODBC functions call, which is also called as universal driver and type 1 driver. Next is a native driver, where this driver converts JDBC method call into the native calls of the database API. Third one is the network protocol driver. This driver translates the JDBC calls into the middleware vendor protocol, which is then translated to the DBMS protocol by the middleware server. And the last one is the thin driver, where it is a fully Java technology driver which converts the JDBC call into network protocol used by the DBMS directly. uh, Thin driver is a give better performance than type 1 and type 2 driver. So this is all about JDBC 4 drivers. And the last topic is type of statement. There are two types, normal statement and prepare statement. Normal statement that we have already used in our program, which is a simple SQL or MySQL statement. Prepare statement is a pre-compiled statement which is give a faster than statement, normal statement. And it is like we can pass a parameterized query through our JDBC program in our database, so we can use a prepared statement. So this is all about JDBC concept in Java programming. If you like the video, then share it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.